Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. Today video, how many hand techniques are there for long fist? Alright, so what is the shui hand technique? 拳. So 拳 is the fist. Also 掌 is the palm. And also we have 勾手. So the 勾手 is hook hand. So in this video, I will use the term of Chinese 拳, 掌, 勾 instead the hook hand, palm, and the punch. Alright, so let's start it from the how many fist, the 拳 in long fist. Alright, so as we know, we're learning the first move, the 冲拳, the 平拳. So once how to using them in your form, mostly we do a lot of your punches, right? In long fist, when you punch, the requirement have to be flat this way and flat this way, and your angle of your wrist as well need to be flat. So as you already know, that is great. Let's go to the 劈拳. Okay, 劈拳. So from top, and you go down, and this side go down and become flat. Mostly the technique used to front 劈拳 to 劈 straight of your head, alright? Or 侧劈拳, just side way to go 劈拳 from the top and go down, or from the front, right? Mostly they connect with stances, so like a ball stance or horse stance, 马步 and 功夫. So let's see this. So once you go the ball stance 劈拳, mostly you go up, also your hand, and heel up, you stop your right, and you go 劈拳, so from top and go down. So this is the 劈拳. And also from the front part, you go horse stance 劈拳. So this is from top, your hand and over your head, and you go 劈拳 with your horse stance. This is from the 劈拳with the horse stance and ball stance. Alright, that's great. So now we're going to go to another one. So the 力冲拳, 冲拳. So you same thing. So once you go punches flat, but just to slightly different with the vertical side, right? So all you need to change is go to this side. 1, 2. So mostly in long fist, we do this a lot by multiple of time to go 侧冲拳, 力冲拳, 力冲拳. So you go 冲拳 1, 冲拳 2, 冲拳 3, right? A lot of time we go this. But you see when you go 劈拳, actually also you do this, right? Vertical way. So that's how you use in long fist. For 力冲拳, so we do a lot with a ball stance as well. So that's the way we go multiple, let's say the 3 punches. So you start left, your right, you go punch right and punch left, and you turn it, right? So 1, 2, 3, right? That's great. So let's connect to for the next one that called 贯拳. 贯拳, the way, let's just connect with 1, 2, 3, the perfect with this one. So your both hand, come back your waist, you open, and you become fist, your right hand, and go to the other side over your head. So your body becomes sideways over your head. So this called a 贯拳. So 1 from your waist, and 2 with the 贯拳, and come back, boom, with the 贯拳. 下截拳. So 下截拳 from the top 45, and you go 截拳. So your hand go down, lift, so you lift up, you go, boom, 截拳. Perfect. So you go 1, and go, boom, down, 截拳, and boom. 下 is 交叉拳, 交叉 is crossing, so both face from down to up to protect your head. So this is a crossing fist, right? So this move mostly use connect with 劈拳 and double 劈拳. So how to do this one? So once your both hand go up, you say to protect, and you become first stance, 劈拳, go down. With your stances will be just like this. So go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So this is the cross fist. Go to the palm technique. Your 推掌. 推掌 is the same like you go 冲拳, punch, and you become a palm. So from your waist and rotate out and go push, right? The requirement your fingers have together, you shut in like this. This is 平推掌. So this is flat. right? And also in wushu long fist, we use 柳叶掌. It's like a leaf palm. So they call boom. They use a set way, so power out from this part. So this the technique we use a lot in wushu long fist 长拳. Okay, the next one, 劈掌, is same like your 劈拳 almost. So from top and you go down and up and you go down from top and you go 劈掌. You can be front 劈掌 or set 劈掌. So similar from the technique of 冲拳 or 劈拳. So let's go to the next 按掌. 按掌 is from top and just small movement. Your hand go down. This is called press palm. 按掌. If someone punch you, you go 按掌按掌. So press down and mostly they will connect with 推掌. So you go 按掌 and 推掌. 1, 2 is same thing the other side. Next one, 挑掌, like a pig palm. We call 挑掌. So your hand just small move from down to up. Like just go up, 挑掌. So this is a technique used for modern wushu, also traditional a lot. So if someone punch you, you go boom, 挑掌, 挑掌. Just got a little power and 挑掌 and attack by whatever it is. So that's used for traditional kung fu, also the modern wushu, the 挑掌. So in wushu we do 挑掌. Your hand go down and from the top, on the top. So the top, so the purpose is to protect your height, right? So used by a lot of move 推掌, or you can even combine with 冲拳. So 架掌, 推掌, 架掌, 推掌, 架掌, 推掌. One 插掌, 插掌 is like straight to go up, and you can go down. So mostly they can combine with a lot of different techniques with the palms. So for example, for 架掌 and 插掌. Okay, how say this? So you go boom, this is blocking, but it's 按掌. From top, press down, and then you hand from this way. So you go 插掌. So mostly if someone punch you, you go boom, press down, and then 插掌, just go straight to the throat. So 插掌, right? And also connect to 下插掌. So 1 按掌 and 插掌 up and go 插掌 down. So you go 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So you can practice with both ways. Left and right. 1, 两掌, 两掌, just very close, similar like a 架掌. But the technique different. 架掌 is bend your arm a little bit to protect your head, and 两掌, your arm have to be straight. And with that, and mostly connect with 勾手, the hard hand. So how do this? You say arm straight, and behind you have 勾手 like this. That's called 两掌. Right? Same thing for the other side. So they use for many different stances. So you can do 瀑布两掌, which is drop stance, or you can 提膝两掌, knee lift with 两掌. Let's see this. So mostly we can go 魔掌, 1, 2, 3, and knee lift. So this is how you do the 两掌, right? Also you can do with this drop stance. So we just need to go a little lower. You can see this. You same technique, 魔掌, 插掌, open and go. 瀑布两掌, high, high snap. So that is how we go 两掌. And last one already we say from a 魔掌. 魔掌 is from left right or left or right, just like a flat. So 魔掌 technique can be defined by boom, punch, punch, and go blocking, or just like a tai chi to attack back, right? So 魔掌 also we use a lot with your 身法. 身法 is how we body move with this boom, 冲拳. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Let's go to 勾手, the hard hand. Open your all fingers and put the fingers all together and become a 勾手. This is a hard hand. So used by, you know, the Korean Kung Fu a lot. So if you follow my channel, you might already know and learning Korean Kung Fu. But for long fist, the hard hand, the 勾手, not standing alone, almost always combined with either palm or face or stances. So 勾手, always we go, let's say, back sweep. Let's say this. They use a lot by the sweeps to say this. I hope you can, sorry, but you have to go a little bit lower, right? So sweep, double palm with your both stance, and you go sweep the whole circle, and your hand and go back, become 勾手推掌. So we use a lot for 勾手推掌. Let's say again, so 1 and 1, 2. So you go 推掌 and 勾手. So that's the 勾手how to use right there. And also for drop stance, we use a lot. 1 and become 勾手推掌 with your drop stance. 看你 go 勾手屈步，还可以勾手提膝，勾手歇步resting stance. So that's how to use for 勾手. That's all for today for the 长拳 hand techniques. So hope that's helpful, and leave your comment down below. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you very much. I love you all, and see you in the next video, and bye bye.